We're gonna take these nice smooth yellow plates. You're gonna cover the top and the bottom step.
Alright, so what are you doing?
It's too late.
Hovering up the middle.
Flat.
So we're going to take one of these.
There.
You got it? Good job, Travis. And then unload. Okay, that's perfect.
Alright, so you have two big hammers with feet. You can bring a chicken body back in the middle.
Right there in the middle.
Alright, your chicken body's gonna go in the middle facing the left. Make sure your hammers are looking at the chicken.
Yeah, good job.
Once you have your eyes and cheeks on, look at the top of your chicken's head.
Whoa, now we're going to do the top of it.
You need to make sure that all your pieces are separated and not connected. You can use that brick remover tool to just remove off the eyes and the cheeks carefully using that flat side.